Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mansi and I'm here with you all to show the unboxing and assembling of 8th Fastpack Pro and Downpack device from Orikam India. So this device comes in a big white box with a user manual, and basically it comes with three components. One is a very sleek obturation handpiece in a very sleek pen-like design with three needles, one charging base along with its adapter. Now, there are three different heating needles in three different sizes with different color indicators. The black one comes in a 40-025, the yellow one comes in 50-05 size, and the blue one comes with 60-06 dimension. Now, to operate it properly, you need to assemble these hexagon notches of the heating needle into the hexagon notches of the boss handpiece properly while handling this grey handle. This can be assembled in any direction wherever you want according to the convenience of your choice. Now, to switch it on, you just need to press this power button, and it comes with 5 memory settings from T1 to T5, which ranges from 90 degree to 250 degrees Celsius temperatures. Now to operate it, you just need to press this raised black ring, and it can be pressed in all the 360 degree directions, and when you will press it and while it will heat, it will show this blue light and it will demonstrate a beep sound. Now for heating, this needle takes just 2 seconds to heat, and it takes 3 seconds to 10 seconds to cool down, which will be demonstrated on this panel when it will heat, and when you will leave it, it will start cooling. The temperature will drop down. Now for charging, you need to take this charging base and put the USB adapter of this charger into this socket, and plug the other outlet into the AC power system. And for charging, you just need to put this device into this charging base, and it will show the charging indication on this panel. This is a very easy and compatible device for 3D obturation and downpacking. And in my next video, I will demonstrate you how to use this device for downpacking during your root canal treatment. So till then, stay happy and keep learning, and share your reviews in the comment box. Thank you.